Welcome to this short tutorial on approving a proposal in Cayuse SP as a unit departmental reviewer. Prior to Cayuse SP, routing and approval took place exclusively in Cayuse 424. The lead principal investigator uploaded proposal documentation and a separate MSU proposal routing form to Cayuse 424 and approved the proposal for routing. This process will now take place exclusively in Cayuse SP. The Institutional Processing Form in Cayuse SP, or the IPF, replaces the legacy Montclair State University Proposal Routing Form. This form was manually or digitally signed in Adobe by each key person on the proposal and then uploaded to Cayuse 424 as a PDF. The information from the PDF was then entered into a database manually by the Office of Sponsored Programs. Cayuse SP will eliminate the need for this manual data entry, increasing efficiencies in OSP's data gathering and reporting capabilities. Upon completion of the IPF, the lead PI will route the proposal for certification by each key member of the research team. Upon certification, the unit or departmental reviewer of that key person will receive an automated email that approval of the proposal is now required. To begin, navigate to the Cayuse Research Suite URL. You will find this on the Office of Sponsored Programs homepage. Enter your University Net ID credentials to access the Research Suite. Next, click on the Cayuse SP hyperlink. At the top of the screen, below the green Cayuse SP logo, you will see a menu bar. Click on the My Dashboard menu item. From the drop-down list, select Unit Approval Inbox. Select the proposal that requires your approval. A status page will open. From this page, there are 3 actions that you may choose from. Clicking on the View IPF button provides the reviewer full view access to the IPF. You will notice that many of the sections are very similar to MSU's legacy routing form. From the status page, you may also print the IPF as a PDF for ease of use. Starting from the General Information page of the Institutional Processing Form, you will be able to review many details about the proposal to include, but not limited to, the sponsor, project dates, research team, budget, compliance and regulatory considerations, location of activities, and of course, the proposal summary and attachments. Once you have reviewed the IPF and the proposal, you can choose to authorize the proposal to move forward for OSP review. Alternatively, you may choose to return the proposal for revision. For example, if you select to return the proposal back to the PI for revision, click on the Reject Proposal button. Enter the reason for your return here. It is very important to note that any comments you provide will be seen by all members in the approval chain. In addition, the proposal will be reopened and require approval by all unit departmental reviewers upon revision. Next, to approve the proposal, simply click on the Authorize Proposal button. Similarly, you may also enter any comments you may have here. One of the features of Cayuse SP is that it allows a proposal to be approved in parallel. This eliminates the long bottleneck that often took place in Cayuse 424, where multiple PIs, chairs and deans from varying departments and colleges were involved in a linear, dependent approval process. Once all unit or departmental approvers have approved the proposal, it is now ready for OSP review and submission by the Office of Sponsored Programs pre-award team. Note that you can check the status of all of the proposals in your unit from the My Dashboard menu and then clicking on Proposals in My Unit from the drop-down list. Here you will see the status on the right-hand side of the screen. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you have any questions, please contact OSP's email address at osp@montclair.edu.